Cigarettes are known to contain a large number of toxic chemicals, the most important and influencing of which is nicotine, which is a stimulant and addictive element. Smoking a cigarette before bed as part of a daily routine makes sleeping in a difficult situation, given that nicotine as a stimulant increases the rate of stroke. The heart also increases alertness, and smokers suffer during sleep from withdrawal symptoms, because within 2 hours the body starts asking for nicotine, which makes them wake up at night to get the body's need for nicotine, and smoking can lead to insomnia, constant fatigue, and snoring, sleep apnea. Smoking damage. Long-term smoking leads to a large number of complications, except for its effect on the body's systems, where the nicotine in it affects the central nervous system, and also affects the respiratory system, leading to chronic bronchitis and lung cancer. And smoking raises blood pressure, it increases the chance of developing blood clots and peripheral artery disease, and its effect includes changes in the skin and nails, thus increasing the risk of skin cancer and fungal nail disease. Quitting smoking. The first step to quitting smoking is the will, then asking the smoker for help and support from the circle close to him, as he can join support groups spread personally or via the internet. Then he must get rid of cigarettes, ashtrays and lighters, and wash all of his clothes to get rid of the smell. Smoke, cleaning the car to remove the smell of hanging smoke, preoccupying with beneficial activities, such as exercising, or chatting with friends, replacing smoke with sugar-free gum, or mint, or any other alternative available, and finally the recoverer should have the ability to deal with withdrawal symptoms, such as headache, stress, stomach pain, depression, and lack of energy.